Hey there, welcome to Drew Bentley Guitar. Thanks for spending your guitar time with me today. Let's take a look at Simple Man for the introduction. We're going to do a nice, easy version of this intro, beginner version, and then we'll work up to that picking pattern I just played. Let's take a look. All right, so the first thing is this song only has 3 chords, which is awesome. C, G, and A minor. So we like that. 3 chords. I will mention that this song is actually tuned down a half step on the recording. So if you listen to the recording and you want to play along with it, it's going to sound really out of tune unless you tune your guitar down a half step to play along with the recording. I'm in standard tuning right now. So we have C, G, and A minor. It's a 4-measure pattern. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we wanted to strum this to start with, to get things going here, play your C chord. And I'm doing what I call the Jimmy Page G chord. It's G like this with the second finger on the low E string, but I have an open B string. My little finger on high E, 3 like that to A minor. And it's 4 beats for each chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can simply strum this like this. We're going to go down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down. So I'll do that very slowly. You'll notice I'm doing something I call the sneeze chord. You'll see that a lot in the videos. What I'm doing here is I'm going down, down, down. This last strum is kind of open strings as I land into the next chord. Down, down, open strings as I land into the next chord. If that's a little too complicated, we can take it down one more notch and just go down, 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 down. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, strum, strum. Or if you want to, you can try that other up strum pattern like this. Once you get to the point you can do that, you go like down, 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 up, down, 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 down. So you don't have to play at that tempo if that's too fast for you. The song is very fast. It's 120 beats a minute. We can slow way down and just go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, as we work on transitioning those chords. If you're having a hard time with transitioning chords, there's a video on this channel, 5 steps towards easy, smoother chord transitions, and that will help you. So once we can strum this, we're going to try this picking pattern, and we'll do that in steps. So the first thing is this pickup. It goes 4 and 1 is the beat, 4 and 1. So that's open A string, 2nd fret of A to the 3rd fret of A. Then I'm going to strum. So it looks like this. It's O, 2, 3, strum. O, 2, 3, strum. The count is 4 and 1, strum. Then I'm going to play the G chord. I'm going to play the bass note first and then strum. For the A chord, A minor chord, I'll play the open A string first and then strum. And then the same thing again, the open A string and then strum. So that looks like this. Okay, that's cool. We can do that. Let's take that a little further. We're going to go like this. O, 2, 3, then play the 2nd fret of D, open G, and then the 2nd fret of D. So now we've added a little more intricate stuff here. We're building up towards the whole pattern. And you'll notice some alternate picking, down, up. So I'm going down, up, down. Now I'm flowing to the floor. You'll notice my fingers are going in the direction of the floor as I add the notes of the chord. It's really important. So it's flow to the floor. Remember that. Everything flows to the floor, well, for the most part. So if I go O, 2, 3, now I'm going to play D2, open G, and then D2, and then strum. Which is kind of like half the pattern. Strum. I'll do it very slowly. I'll do the same thing with the G chord. I'm going to go like that. So these are adjacent strings. It's the low E string, A string, D string, A string, strum. Do the same thing for A minor. This time it's one string closer to the floor because the A minor chord starts with the open A string. So it's going to be A string, D string, G string, D string, strum. So here's what we got so far. We have this. That's cool. Let's take that a little bit further now. We're going to go like this. Do the pickup first, which is O2. Now we're going to go like this. Okay, so now there's 8 notes in that chord. And look at the pattern. They're all adjacent. It's A, D, G, D. Then it's going to be B, G, D, G. Very slowly, watch my right hand. And that's the secret sauce for this tune, is this picking pattern. So now we're not strumming at all, we're actually doing the picking pattern. I'll do it very slowly. You'll notice I'm accenting the B string. Da da bo da da do ba da do na. When you accent a note like that, it helps you to stay in time. It gives you like a sort of a metric, I suppose, a meter, something to lock into, like a buoy in the water. Now the G chord, I'm going to do the same kind of pattern. It's low E string, A string, D string, A string. So it's then the same idea. This time it's E, A, D, A, G, D, A, D. Do it very slowly. It looks just like the last one, but one string lower. Here are the first 2 chords together. Transitioning to this one. Now you'll notice I'm not even having to play the full G chord with these fingers up here because I never get that far. So you can play just these 2 fingers if you want to while you're playing this. Well, this helps if you play it right. Now the A minor chord, there's kind of 2 different patterns happening. It's A, D, G, D, B, G, D, G. Slowly. Then there's one more on top of that. It goes like this. Everything moves one string closer to the floor. That's D, G, B, G, E, B. And there's only 6 of those notes. You'll notice that because the next 2 notes are the 7th and 8th notes of the 8th notes. So it's like this. That's what a pickup means. A pickup are notes that come before the first measure, like in Happy Birthday. Happy 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Happy comes before the first beat of the measure. 3 and 1, 2, 3. It's interesting, isn't it? So here's the actual picking pattern, the way the song's actually played, since we built up to this, but very, very slowly. Now, mind you, I've been playing this riff for, I don't even want to admit how long, like forever, decades. I played this live at a gig on Friday this week, and just kind of randomly called out. It's great. Like, it's a great song to have in your arsenal. The song goes by at 120 beats a minute, so getting up to that speed takes some time. But there's no rush, right? Just take it nice and simple and easy. Start with strumming the chords first. 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to try doing half notes. Strum, 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 strum. And then try doing the up strum as well, which with that sneeze chord sounds like ha-choo. What? That's why I call it a sneeze chord. If I go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And again, I'm going up through open strings and then down to the chord, so I flow to the floor is so important. So once you get to that point, we're going to start to do this basic pattern at the bottom, the open string and then the strum. Pick up da da do, strum, dum, strum, dum, strum. Then I made that a little more intricate. I went do 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 da do, strum, do do do, strum. Then we want do, do, do. And again, accenting the B string. Da da do da 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 do da 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 do da 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 da. The fourth measure accents the high E string. Do da da ba da. So you'll build up to that speed eventually. I promise you'll get there. Enjoy just playing these simple 3 chords. The song itself is rather simple. Continuing on to the rest of the song, there's a nice ripping guitar solo with A minor pentatonic. That's for a different lesson. But it's a great hook. It's a really, really important thing for, I guess, all electric guitar students or just guitar students in general to learn. It's nice picking pattern, get your right hand moving and get some accurate picking happening with this articulation. But I think it's such a great song. Anyways, thank you so much for checking out the video today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I put lessons out all the time and gear videos and et cetera, et cetera. But thanks again for spending your guitar time with me. I know time is valuable, so I appreciate that. And hopefully you had some fun watching Simple Man, and I'll catch you at the next lesson.